Hello, good day viewers. Here is also another nice Olympiad mathematics question. We are asked to find the value of x plus 4 divided by x, which is this, given that the square root of x plus 2 divided by the square root of x is equal to x minus 4 divided by x. One beauty about this question is that we don't have to solve for the value of x. Otherwise, we can just solve for x here, substitute it here just to find the value of x plus 4 divided by x. But what we'll be doing here is to simplify this equation, transform it in terms of x plus 4 divided by x. Whatever we have to other side is said to be the value of x plus 4 divided by x. All right, let's get started with the solution. We are going to begin with our main equation. Okay, this is our main equation. And also, I want to transform the right-hand side of this equation as a difference of two squares. Remember, a difference of two squares, if you have a squared minus b squared, you can always write it as a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So how can we do that? I want to transform this x's into square root of x squared. Remember that if you have square root of a also raised to the power of 2, this can always give you a. So what if it is x? We have square root of x squared. This is equal to x. So wherever we have x, I can replace it with square root of x squared. So let me take the right hand side of our equation and write it in terms of the square root of x squared. So instead of x minus 4 divided by x, I can now write it as the square root of x also squared minus 4 divided by the square root of x squared. I remember that 4 can be written as 2 squared, and we have square root of x squared, which can take a single power from one of the laws of indices. So this is equal to the square root of x squared minus 2 divided by square root of x all squared, because 2 squared is 4 and the square root of x squared is square root of x squared. From here we can apply this formula right here, where our a is the square root of x and b is 2 divided by the square root of x. So this becomes square root of x minus 2 divided by square root of x, then multiply by square root of x plus 2 divided by the square root of x. This is the right hand side of our equation, remember, but the left hand side remains square root of x plus 2 divided by square root of x. So let me bring it back. Square root of x plus 2 divided by the square root of x. Can you see we have the same terms to the right hand side? Therefore, we can divide both sides of these equations by square root of x plus 2 divided by the square root of x. So if you divide the left hand side by that, you will be left with only 1. And to the right hand side, you will be left with only the square root of x minus 2 divided by the square root of x multiplied by 1 is still square root of x minus 2 divided by square root of x. We are still going. Our main target is to find this. But we know that if we should square this, we are going to obtain 2 terms that correspond to those 2 terms. So let's go ahead and do that. So we take 1 squared, we also square the right hand side. And if we do that, the left hand side, we have 1 squared is 1. To the right hand side, remember, if you have a minus b all squared, this can be expanded as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So let's apply it here. We take the first term and square that. Square root of x squared will give us x plus second term. 2 divided by square root of x squared will give us 4 divided by x, then minus 2 multiplied by the first term which is square root of x, multiplied by the second term, which is 2, divided by square root of x. From here, you can see this square root of x will cancel this square root of x. What we have left is negative 2 times 2, which is negative 4. So we have 1 equal to x plus 4 divided by x, then minus 4. All right, this is exactly what we are looking for. Therefore, we can add 4 to both sides. By doing so, we have 4 plus 1 equal to 5 equal to x plus 4 divided by x. Then negative 4 plus 4 is 0. And hence we stop here. X plus 4 divided by x is nothing but 5. And we conclude x plus 4 divided by x is exactly equal to 5. And hence this is our solution. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.